Hello and welcome back to A Stick and Three Pedals. In today's video we have a car that I've always wanted to film and would love to own one as well one day. It is of course the 204 generation C63 with a legendary 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8. Therefore I'd like to thank the owner for making this possible, so be sure to follow him. The 204 C63 came out back in 2008 when car manufacturers were putting big engines in everything. The entire segment, which the C63 was, had a V8. The M3, the RS4, the Lexus ISF all had V8s. The engine, of course, is the main reason why this car is so admired. The legendary M156 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8. Mercedes dropped this in almost all their AMG models at the time, from the C-Class up until the flagship SLS. When the C63 launched, it came in sedan and wagon body style. As we have the body style today, it is the S204. And as of the facelift, which came out in 2011-2012, they also added a coupe. With the facelift, they made big changes to the front end and interior and slight changes to the rear. They also addressed the reliability issues regarding the engine. The car here we have today is a 2010 wagon. It also has the performance package, which changes a lot and isn't just a tune which bumps up the power. They upgraded the pistons, connecting rods and crankshaft, all from the SLS, and upgraded the brakes. This made the power go from 457 to 487. However, torque stayed the same at 600 Newton meters. This car has the 19-inch 16-spoke wheel design, and behind it are the upgraded performance brakes, distinguished by the red brake calipers. Other wheel options were a 5-spoke star design, as well as my favorite, the 507 edition wheels. At the rear of the car there are 4 big exhaust tips. Even though this car is completely stock, it still sounds absolutely amazing. And I have heard even straight pipe examples, and those make you pretty much lose your hearing. That's how loud it can get. This being a station wagon, it also offers enormous tons of luggage space. This being Belgium and the way that taxes go, this one has been converted into a light freight vehicle, which reduces tax by a lot, since you'd be paying around 10 grand for the first year, and in this configuration you're paying about 200. So it does make a really big difference. This car also has the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system with the subwoofer here in the back. Moving on to under the hood, this is, as I said, the well-known 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8, codename M156. For the regular C63, it has 457 horsepower. This one, having the performance pack, has 487. With the 507 edition, it got 507, and with the Black Series, 517. As I mentioned, these did suffer from some mechanical reliability issues, such as head bolts, which were in early models. However, once addressed and maintained well, there shouldn't be major issues. The engine is paired to a 7-speed transmission. In the pre-facelift it was a torque converter, and with the facelift a multi-clutch setup was placed. Moving to the interior, I do have to say that the facelift does look a bit better than the pre-facelift. This one has aged a bit more than the facelift, and that's the main reason why I would preferably go for a facelift. However, overall the C63 will be remembered as an icon because of the crazy power plant, and even the prices today reflect on how sought after these are, with a Black Series easily going up to €250,000 and regular ones that can fetch up to 50,000 for low mileage examples. And all I have to say is I can't wait to own one myself.